Hey everybody, Nature Walks with Dawn here. And I think I found Ribbit, and he's getting so big. I can't believe how big he's getting. He's ginormous. He must be eating a lot of bugs out here. I'm gonna zoom in because he's got really pretty spots. He's one of our biggest frogs I've ever seen. He's a tree frog. I just wet my finger and pet him and give them water because they like that, and sometimes they'll drink it and everything, and they enjoy it a lot. Well, hope you all enjoy. God bless and Jesus loves you all. Love you guys out there.